And more breaking news coming in now. The Aam Aadmi Party hits out at Narendra Modi for invoking Ye Dil Mange More.
There has been a controversy since Narendra Modi made that Ye Dil Mange More remark on the martyr of Kargil, Captain Vikram Batra. The family really hitting out at Narendra Modi. Joining me is senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, Ashutosh. Ashutosh, how does the Aam Aadmi Party really look at this statement? Because the candidate of Aam Aadmi Party from that area, Kamal Kant Batra, has really hit out at Modi, going on to say that if Modi really cares for the martyrs, he should withdraw the candidature of the BJP candidate.
See, I'm really stunned in the ghast to see the BJP and the Modi's reaction on an issue like this. Because I always believe that if you can't respect the martyrdom of somebody like Vikram Batra, then please don't make fun of it. Today, the way Narendra Modi and BJP has behaved, I think it's shameful. It's shameful. And they claim themselves to be the nationalists and the patriot. And I think these fake nationalists and the fake patriot should be rejected as soon as possible. Because they do not know what Vikram Batra had done for the country. And they're making fun of his family. And I think it's very. I'm really don't know how to react to this.
But Ashutosh, let me play devil's advocate here. This is politics. This is not about emotions. Of course, he was a martyr. Everybody should respect him. But of course, we are also having a political discourse. We are having an election here, and there is a BJP candidate. There is an Aam Aadmi Party candidate. Why shouldn't there be polls? Why is the Aam Aadmi Party candidate here, the respected mother of the martyr, really saying that the BJP should withdraw the candidate? Do you support that statement?
You mean to say that the mother of Vikram Batra has no right to contest elections? The way BJP has reacted and said that she has got the tickets because she belongs to Vikram Batra, is it the way to treat your martyrs? Is it the way to treat the family of a martyr? Is it the way? Is it the way? I really don't know how to react to this. She is a legitimate citizen of this country. She has all the rights to contest elections to whatever party she chooses. And if she's contesting elections and Narendra Modi going over there and making fun of him, then I think I don't know what to say.
All right. That was